Hello everyone, this is Kevin. Welcome to Get Again CAD software online lessons. Today I will teach you how to install the intelligent SewPer CAD system. Note, all USB storage must be unplugged. This is the software installer. Run it as an administrator. Next, check English. Next, click Browse to change the installation location. If your computer has a C drive and a D drive, change the C to D. If your computer only has a C drive, not change. OK. Next. Finish. Click here. Select English. Close the software. Open again. Open Help. Activate software. Write your software user ID. Click it to save the log file. File type log. Save. OK. Send the log file to Get Again group. Get Again group will send you the link file. Click it. Open the link file. The software already activate. Click OK to finish. Thanks for watching.